A true mid-size pickup truck has to endure punishing dirt trails on the weekend while remaining civilized enough for the daily highway commute, and the 2026 Toyota Tacoma arrives carrying the massive expectation of bulletproof reliability mixed with modern turbocharged power. Taking a deep dive into the details, the release date for the 2026 model year is widely anticipated to fall in the latter half of 2025, rolling into dealerships just in time for the autumn buying season. On paper, the technical specifications showcase a complete departure from the naturally aspirated engines of the past. The core of the lineup features the iForce 2.4-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder engine. In its most common configuration, this power plant generates 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. However, the true powerhouse of the lineup is the iForce Max hybrid system, which integrates an electric motor into the drivetrain to produce a staggering 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Looking at class standards, this massive surge of torque completely transforms how the truck handles steep inclines and heavy trailers. The power is managed by a highly calibrated 8-speed automatic transmission, but automotive purists will be thrilled to learn that a 6-speed manual transmission with rev-matching technology is still available on select trims. For performance metrics, the hybrid variant tackles the 0 to 60 miles per hour run in approximately 7 seconds, a very respectable figure for a robust 4x4 utility vehicle. Because I am reviewing this from a remote perspective based on factory data and have not physically driven the vehicle, I rely heavily on the underlying engineering. The transition to the global TNGA-F architecture means the frame shares its high-strength steel construction with its larger heavy-duty siblings. User feedback regarding the multi-link coil spring rear suspension highlights a massive improvement in unladen ride quality compared to the traditional leaf springs, which are now reserved primarily for the base work models. When it comes to hauling gear, utility remains paramount. The maximum towing capacity peaks at roughly 6,500 pounds, while the payload rating tops out near 1,700 pounds depending on the specific trim and driveline setup. The cargo area comes in either a 5-foot bed or a 6-foot bed, featuring durable composite materials that eliminate the need for a traditional aftermarket drop-in liner. Inside the cabin, the technological leap is immediately apparent, dominated by an optional 14-inch central touchscreen that features advanced voice recognition and crisp high-definition graphics. Driver assistance systems are also comprehensively updated with the standard SafetySense 3.0 suite, providing adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and proactive driving assist. For the off-road enthusiasts, dedicated trims like the TRD Pro and the overlanding-focused Trailhunter offer factory-installed lift kits, heavy-duty underbody skid plates, and specialized forged shock absorbers to handle aggressive terrain straight from the showroom floor. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma successfully blends aggressive modern styling with highly capable turbocharged and hybridized powertrains, ensuring its continued dominance as a versatile and resilient machine designed for both harsh off-road environments and everyday utility.